हे गाइस वेलकम। मेरा नाम अनमोल है एंड मैं आपके लिए एक परफेक्ट कोर्स लाया हूँ जिसमें हम लोग एक न्यूज़ वेबसाइट और कहें तो एक पर्सनल ब्लॉग वेबसाइट को बिल्ड करेंगे। एंड नॉट ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू बिल्ड दिस वेबसाइट, वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरी सिंगल लाइन ऑफ कोड। अगर आप स्टूडेंट हो और एज अ फ्रीलांसर हो देन डेफिनेटली दिस कोर्स आर डेडिकेटेड फॉर यू बिकॉज वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड a lot of things in this course from development to deployment, and मैं आपको बेस्ट वे बताऊंगा from development to deployment, like how you can deploy your personal website or business website on the server. So what you have to do, you have to follow this course from start to end, and I promise you that after the completion of this course you are able to build a website from scratch and also able to deploy a website on the server. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द टेक्नोलॉजीज, लाइक हम लोग इस वेबसाइट को बिल्ड करने के लिए कौन कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजीज का यूज करेंगे। सो फॉर द फ्रंट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द रिएक्ट, एंड फॉर द बैक एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द स्प्रिंग बूट, एंड फॉर द डाटाबेस वी विल यूज द पोस्टग्रेस एसक्यूएल, एंड फॉर द स्टोरिंग द इमेज वी विल यूज द क्लाउडनरी बिकॉज क्लाउडनरी एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो आई थिंक 25 GB तक फ्री देता है, जहां हम अपने वेबसाइट के इमेजेस और वीडियोस को रखेंगे एंड फेच करेंगे फ्रॉम द स्प्रिंग बूट। लाइक इफ यू वांट टू यूज द S3 बकेट ऑफ AWS देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर इट। क्लाउडनरी एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां हम अपने वेबसाइट्स के इमेजेस और वीडियोस को पुट करेंगे, एंड इफ यू वांट टू यूज द Amazon AWS S3 बकेट देन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर इट बिकॉज कॉन्फ़िगरेशन का प्रोसेस दोनों का सेम होने वाला है। एंड इफ यू वांट टू S3 बकेट देन डेफिनेटली यूज इट बिकॉज मैं बताऊंगा क्यों मैं अपने न्यूज़ वेबसाइट्स के लिए क्लाउडनरी का यूज कर रहा हूँ। बिकॉज S3 बकेट बहुत कम स्टोरेज प्रोवाइड करता है अकॉर्डिंग टू क्लाउडनरी, and one thing I noticed in the S3 bucket that I can't put high quality images or videos in the S3 bucket. If you want and use a high quality videos or images for your website then definitely go for the Cloudinary, and if you want to use the high quality images and videos for your website and use the S3 bucket then you have to pay some amount, and AWS account create करने के लिए आपको डेबिट कार्ड और क्रेडिट कार्ड पेमेंट से वेरिफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा, then you are able to use the Amazon AWS. So I am going to use the Cloudinary for my project. If you want to go for the AWS S3 bucket then you can definitely go for it because configuration का process दोनों में same होने वाला। And so let's talk about the feature. There are lots of feature in our website. So हम लोग दो पैनल को क्रिएट करेंगे। पहला क्लाइंट पैनल वेयर यूजर कैन इंटरेक्ट विथ आवर वेबसाइट, एंड सेकेंड एडमिन पैनल वेयर एडमिन कैन इंटरेक्ट विथ आवर वेबसाइट्स। यूजर पैनल में बहुत सारे फीचर को इम्प्लीमेंट किया मैंने, लाइक here is a search icon, like if you want to search any news, like I want to search AI related news, when I hit the search button then I got the AI related news. Okay, if any user want to register on your web pages then he can register it, and this is our register page, and if anyone want to log in he can log in into their account after the registration, like I already registered on the website so I can log in it. So let me log in first. So I logged in my website. So when I logged in I got a notification bar. Okay, and there are a lot of notification in my websites. So this is our login page where user can log in your website after completion of the registration. So we will use the Spring Security and JWT for the authentication and authorization. Like I already created my account from the register page, so let me log in first. When I hit the login button, you can see the login successful message, and I successfully logged in my website. This is a notification bell icon, and you can see there are a lot of notifications related to my news and related to my activation status. So you can also manage your user from your admin panel, and I will show you how can we implement this feature. And let's talk about other feature, like our website supported night and dark mode both, and this is our home page. If anyone want to see the state related news, then he can select the state and see the state related news. Like मैंने अभी स्टेट रिलेटेड न्यूज़ कोई भी अपलोड नहीं किया है, so you can't see any state here, and you also can't see any district, because there are two languages. Like my website supports two languages. If you want to upload another languages related news, you can also upload it. So I will show you in the admin panel how you can upload your news. Okay, and this is our home page, and this is our category. Like if you want to see any category related news, you can head over to that category and आप पाएंगे category related news. Like this is a technology category related news. I want all news, then I will head to the all news button and I will got all news. Okay, and आप देख सकते हैं बहुत सारे न्यूज़ को मैंने अपलोड नहीं किया है. Okay, like if you want international news, then you will get international news. Here you can see a state news. So this is our state news page, and this is our sports news page. And let's talk about advertise. So this is our international news page where we see the international news, and this is our state news page where we see the state related news, and this is our advertise page where any brand want to connect with you for the advertisement, then he can connect with you by fill this field, and when he hit the submit inquiry button, then he will able to connect with you. Like if he want to send any message, like let me enter the field first. Okay, and if any company want to send a message to you, then when he hit the submit query, then he will able to connect with it, and I will show you where this message goes. So I will show you where this message goes in your admin panel, and this is our about page. Okay, and anyone want to subscribe your news, then when he hit the subscribe news, he will redirect to the contact page, and if anyone want to connect with you, then he can send a message to you. Okay, and if anyone want to send a email for the newsletter subscription, then he can send an email to you. Okay, so this is our complete client panel websites. So this is our news detail page where you can decorate your news article. आप अपने हिसाब से अपने न्यूज़ आर्टिकल को डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं. लाइक मैंने ऐसा ही लिख दिया है. लाइक इफ़ यू वांट टू डेकोरेट योर न्यूज़ article, then you can definitely decorate it. Okay, so you can like it and you can also comment it. When I log out from the website, मैं log out हो जाता हूँ, then I am not able to hit the like and also comment. If you want to comment on any blog post, then you have to log in first. Okay, and you can share your news articles on the Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever you want. And this is our news related videos. So this is our complete, and you can check it out like how much views and share and likes your news articles got. Okay, so the complete videos of client panel websites. Let's talk about the admin panel. Like this is our dashboard, and आप देख सकते हैं हमारे वेबसाइट्स पे अभी तक 4 न्यूज़ है, and there are 4 category, 1 state and 1 districts. Okay, and this is our latest news panel where we can check it out which is our latest news, and we can also manage our news here. And अगर आप अपने न्यूज़ को मैनेज करना चाहते हैं, then this is a manage news page where you can get a category, state, districts and label. And if you want to perform some action, like अगर आप अपने न्यूज़ को अपडेट करना चाहते हैं, then when you hit update, here is a update where you can update your news articles. Like if you want to do some changes, like if you want to make a bold, then you can do it. Like here this is not a normal text field. Okay, we will use the TinyMZ here, and ये वेबसाइट आपके लिए न्यूज़ आर्टिकल के लिए परफेक्ट है. If you want to use it for the writing the news articles or whatever you want, like TinyMZ. Let me show you the website. Like, this is a TinyMZ website where it provides the API to use a text field or a input field for our news website, where we can decorate our news articles at on your way. So this is a TinyMZ websites which provided API जिसको हम लोग अपने वेबसाइट में यूज करेंगे for the text field, and we can also decorate our news article according to your own way. Okay. So I restricted that you have to write 1000, I think 800 words for post the article on our website, and this is the state, districts, categories, and this is the field where you can choose the images for your news articles. And when you hit the update icon, when you hit the update button, you are able to update your news. And this is the delete button. If you want to delete your news, then this is the delete button. So this is the add news, and you can see that there are a lot of fields. If you want to add the news articles on your website, then this is the add news page. So this is a reset password page. So if you want to change your old password and change and go for the new password, then this is a change password page. ओके. एंड अगर आप अपने यूजर को मैनेज करना चाहते हैं, सो दिस इज अ मैनेज यूजर पेज. आई एम गेटिंग एरर बिकॉज आई हैव टू री लॉग इन अगेन. सो लेट मी लॉग आउट फर्स्ट, एंड फॉर द एडमिन पैनल I have to re-log in again. So let me re-log in first. So when I hit the login button, I am able to manage my user. Like let me head over to the manage user. So आप देख सकते हैं ये हमारा manage user page है. And if you want to perform some activity, like if your user perform illegal activity on your website, and like if he spam or put a wrong comment in the comment box, then you can suspend their account and he will not able to again log in. Let me show you guys. When I tried to log in again, look, I am not able to log in. And when admin reactivate my account, then I am to log in again. When I hit the login button, I am able to log in. Okay. So if any user performs some suspicious activity on your website, then you can suspend their account. And if you want to send some notification, like you want to send a warning message, then you can send it. When I hit the send button, then from the client side, your user get a notification. Let me refresh first. So you can see this is the warning notification, your user got it. So for the notification हम लोग यूज करने वाले WebSocket को, एंड देखेंगे कैसे WebSocket को अपने प्रोजेक्ट में यूज करेंगे. एंड this is our notification page where we can check it out. There are a lot of notification, we just send it. So what we have to do, you can click on marks in, or you can delete your notification and whatever you want. So this is our contact page. If anyone, like from the client panel, if any company want to connect with you, like for the AdSense or whatever he want, then he can send a message. You can see what messages he can send you, and which is a company name and what is the email of the company. Okay. So guys, इस वीडियो में इतना ही. हम लोग ने देखा कैसे अपने वेबसाइट्स को बिल्ड करेंगे and which technologies we are going to use, and after the development we will move toward the deployment. And for the next videos and from the next part of the video we will start, and after the next series of the video हम लोग कोडिंग करना स्टार्ट करेंगे and अपने वेबसाइट्स को बिल्ड करेंगे. And I promise you guys, after the completion of this course, you are able to make a full-fledged application from scratch to advanced, and also able to deploy it on the server. So thank you guys.